To add another profile to YouTube Kids is fairly simple. Start by opening up YouTube Kids and then tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Enter in either the solution to the question they ask you or your own password. And then from here, you should see under the section My Kids, your first child. So all you need to do is simply select Add New and then go through the process of just setting up the account. This includes entering in your password just for confirmation that it's you. And then now all you need to do is simply set up their profile. You can change the profile icon, then you can enter in your kid's first name. Then you can enter in their age and their birth month. From here, just tap on the next button. Then it will automatically recommend content for them to watch. Alternatively, you can choose to approve content yourself, or you can choose between the other options available. Then just tap on next. From here, simply go ahead and confirm that that is the content that you'd like them to watch, and then wait for the next step to load. So once you've successfully created the profile, just tap on next, select done, and you can see that profile has been successfully added. So now depending on the child who's watching using your phone, all you need to do is simply select their profile and enter in your password, and it will automatically switch you to that kid's profile. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.